When I'm an attorney, I represent the defendant. Defendant and I show up, and that's their first witness. They put their witness list together. I put my witness list together. I did not put my client on my witness list. They put my client on as what's called, for their purposes, an adverse witness. But I knew I wasn't going to put anything on in evidence. This was just their case. I hadn't done a counterclaim because I intended to do something else after the trial was won, and there's a risk there. But I knew if my client sat there, he was nervous, like we all would be, and I would have to spend days preparing him, and even then, he would eventually break. That's just life. So I didn't want him in front of these people, and with his permission, I played a trick on these guys. I knew that an attorney in Michigan, let me put up 2.117, Shazam, that's appearance by attorney. A party may appear in action by filing a notice of the fact that me, the attorney, is showing up. In general, an attorney may appear by an act indicating the attorney represents the party in the action. Once an attorney shows up, the person does not have to show up anymore. And I'm not presenting any evidence. I didn't put him on my witness list, so there's no reason for him to show up. I knew if he did, they'd pull him in, put him up there, and that's the start of their case. So they brought in a nice person from the actual law firm, and they also brought in another attorney to help her. So I got two attorneys coming after me, but I use that to my advantage. Parker GPT is that AI superpowered defense. All we do is debt defense. So we try not to make mistakes, always check your work that we produce, but it is a very successful thing. Everybody's signing up for this. So what I'm going to put into Parker GPT today is the checklist and my show notes.